Okay, y'all, this is how the lights look on a hot chocolate station. It looks so good. These, my pralines, my sprinkles, stirs, coffee, tea, hot chocolate, some stirs, more stirs in there, and some fresh raw honey in my big old honey bear. And then his bar tower. And that over there, I'm going to load this bar tower up, make a drink. I gotta get some stuff today. Me and my friend is having but I love how it look. See, I got Moroccan mint, orange, peach, mango, ginger and honey and chai, green tea, honey lemon tea, passion fruit tea, strawberry vanilla tea, and Earl Grey. Like, woo. Yeah, all right, y'all. I'm about to make some pancakes. Pancake and a couple pieces of bacon. That's for my baby. That's for his breakfast. So yeah, that is breakfast, guys. I want to thank you guys for watching. Please hit that like and subscribe if you wouldn't mind. And yeah, let me take a piece. It's a little burnt. It's okay. Still good. Still good. I really want to thank you guys. Lately, my channel has been growing. I got new subscribers. I got a big volume, views, likes. Thank you so much.